Hello there, my name is Reese from Travelworld and I'm going to be showing you how to winterize your vehicle with a Truma heating system. Now for this example I'm going to be using an XST 374. Starting off, when winterizing your vehicle, if you just go onto your control panel here, they'll all be quite similar, but as you can see on this model you've got a input system here. This is for your clean drinking water, and as you can see it's on 50%. And you have an output here, and this is for your grey wastewater, and this is on 0%. So if you just check on this, you can actually see your water levels and just see if there's anything actually in there that you need to winterize. So for this example, as there's water in the clean tank, your drinking water, what you need to do is actually go to your tap and just use all the water possible. Then all that water from out the tap, it'll go straight into your grey wastewater tank. So sometimes you may not have been using it for a while, you may have to give it a second just to let the water all go out. Make sure obviously that your water pressure pump is on. So you'd leave that on and just make sure all your water has eventually drained into your grey wastewater tank, so there's nothing else actually coming out through there. And then inside of a lot of vans, you'll see this compartment here. Now this is for your grey wastewater, so we don't need to worry about your clean water in this instance, it's just your grey water. Now as you can see, you have two different indicators. You've got ZU, which means open, and ALF means closed. So currently it's on the closed position, and then if you do want to open it, make sure you're in a suitable spot where you want to dump your grey wastewater, and then just twist that to the left and it will just open up your wastewater valve. And then with this version here, it works exactly the same as the previous one I just shown. It is just electrical. So all that you need to do is make sure that your power is actually on if you do have one of these. Then go into your garage, because they're usually located in there. Now you have two different buttons. The first one is for your shut-off point, so if you don't want any grey waste water flowing out through the back, just leave that on. And if you do want to dump it out, all you have to do is make sure your power's on and then just press the button down there and it will just dispose of your grey waste water. And then for your clean water tank, if you want to do that one separately, you will see that somewhere in your vehicle you will have something that may look like this. Now if you do want to just do 3/4 of a turn anti-clockwise, that will leave just 20 litres of clean water in. So this is for your clean water tank. And if you look at the bottom here, as you can see, if you twist it twice anti-clockwise, it will fully open the tank. So if you do want to open your clean water tank, there's your black little triangle there. All that you need to do is just twist that 2 times all the way anti-clockwise twice, and that will fully drain out your clean water tank. And also, which is very important in your motorhome, is your frost protection valve, and they look like that. Now if we just flip this over, this is your little diagram here. It all depends whereabouts they are on the vehicle. On this model it's just in the middle here, but it may be in an external locker or might be next to the boiler itself. So if we just look in the little diagram here, this just shows you how to operate it. Now when you do want to winterize it, all that you need to do is, it will be in this state like the way it looks now. All that you need to do is just twist it 90 degrees, doesn't matter what direction, and then so it's straight like that, and then when it's like that it will just drain out from the boiler itself. I believe it holds up to around about 2 litres. So it will just drain outside of your vehicle, and that means that your actual boiler won't freeze up. And then when you want to close the frost protection valve, just like it states in this diagram and it's showing here, all that you need to do is just twist it another 90 degrees so it is like that, and then push the button in like it's shown down there. And that should show you how to winterize your vehicle with a Truma heating system. Thanks for watching.